one just to top of the middle, you're good where you're at. You're off the top lane going a lot better than the bottom here. Clear up, power that guy up, see if you can build some momentum here. Everything you got right here. Two gaps out front, just roll hard. There's a couple on the bottom here that are slow, so just roll around with these guys. One gap in the front, inside. So one gap in the front. So rolling in front, inside, home. Stay in line till you get to it here. Pace cars away. At the line in 3, 2, 1, go. All the way, stay in line here. Stay in line. Here's your line now. 29 is leaving a gap to get in, but you're even with that 97. Nothing in front of this guy for a bit. 97 still in there. We're just going to have to go. We'll work out Kyle in a minute. Still in there. Tight with you out back. Still inside. 2 gap in front here. Still 2 gap in front. 1 gap in front. Half in front. All good. Bumpers in front. Bumpers in front. Just maintain where you're at there. Still wind up inside. Still in there. Just smooth wheels. That 70 in the orange guy ahead of you kind of bounce around a little bit. We can't force getting to the bottom. We got to do it naturally because that's how stuff happens here. 70 inside. He's leaving a gap for you to get in. If that 70 pulls ahead of you, we can sneak in. We just can't get back there. Still in there. Half gap in the front. Rolling good here. Just keep rolling good. It's too tough to get to the bottom of Kyle leaving a gap right here. They have the second lanes are running. Half gaps are rolling in front here. One gap in front. One behind. Stay in line till you get to the line and I tell you, be ready here. Pace car is away. That's a line in 3, 2, 1, go. All on, green, green. Still inside, 2 gap in front of this guy. There's your line, she is tight with you. You are clear low. 70 still in line. Over here, are you ready? Pace car's away. Leaders at the line in 3, 2, 1, and rolling. So outside, half gap in front, still outside, half in front.